Hi guys, it's Bethany. Today I have a small unboxing for you of a diamond painting pin. This is from Poshy pins. This is the first pin that I purchased from them. This was a while ago. It's in my stash of unboxed mail that's been sitting in my house. So anyway, I'm really excited to see this pin. It's about time that I opened it up, so I'm going to get right into it. Okay. The pin came wrapped in a bubble wrap and a sticker. It says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." Now, I have purchased about, I want to say 5. I don't know, without looking at my packages that I have sitting over there. I have purchased a few pins from Nicole. That's who runs the Poshy pins. And my dealings with her have been great. I haven't seen the actual pins yet. But one of the things that I really like about this company is how inexpensive the pins are. Because diamond painting pins can get really expensive. These ones are on the less expensive side. So, okay, I'm looking at my invoice and it says, "Thanks Bethany, Nicole, and Stacy." The name of this pin is called Stormy Night. And on the back of the invoice, it shows some information about the pins. "Thank you for your purchase from Poshy Pins. We hope that you are completely satisfied with your pin. Please note that not all pin tips are made equal. When changing your pin tip, you may notice that some of the tips may or may not fit into your pin, as some manufacturers make them different sizes, unfortunately. If you find your replacement tip is too small and falls out of your pin, you can simply add a dab of hot glue, not crazy glue, to the side of the base of the tip before putting it in your pin. This provides a temporary but firm fit for your new tip until you are ready to replace it with another." And here it shows apply layer of hot glue here. In addition, if you are happy with your purchase, it would be really great if you could post a review for us in the Poshy Pins group on Facebook to let others know how much you love your pin. Reviews are very important to us so we know how we are doing. Thanks again, and if you have any problems at all, please contact me, Nicole, via Facebook Messenger. Best regards, Nicole and Stacy Smith. Okay, that's pretty cool. Some interesting information there. Yeah, so as far as the tips go, when I first made this purchase, she sent me a picture of options for tips. She let me pick the tips that I want. And I'll post a picture right here. Those are all of the options that were offered to me. Honestly, I don't remember what I picked. I think it was random. I think I used a random number generator because I couldn't decide. Okay. But let's open this up and see my Stormy Night. I have a couple of mini pops. It comes in a really pretty bag. Oh, I picked a 10 placer. Woohoo! Oh, and a plastic placer. These ones are really good for AB drills because the space for the wax in there is a little bit smaller than the space in a regular tip. It picks up the ABs without having the ABs pulling out the wax because it's only a little bit on there, so it only touches the drill a little bit. This is gorgeous. Yeah, this is really pretty one. One of the neat things, oh, it's comfortable too. One of the neat things about Poshy pins is they have really unique pins and designs. when I was looking through some of their past posts of pins, it was things that I hadn't seen in a lot of places yet. As I search out and find more pin turners and stuff, I notice a lot more different designs. But my initial impression of Poshy pins is their pins are so unique and different from what you see in a lot of other places, and inexpensive. I love it. This was a great purchase. This was $26, you guys. That's an amazing price for a pin. Very cool. All right, keep an eye out for some of my other unboxings of Poshy pins. I hope to get through some of the ones that I purchased because I would like to use the pins, you know. Life's been kind of crazy and I haven't had a lot of energy. I've only finished one diamond painting so far this year. That's okay. I've decided, you know, I'm going to take everything slow, but man, thanks for sticking with me, guys. I have been aiming to still produce content, even though it's not as often as I would like. So hopefully I'll feel better soon enough that I can post some more content. I have chronic illnesses, so it's not something that's going to go away necessarily, but it can get a little bit better, and that's what I'm hoping for. All right, enough of my talking. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up button on your way out if you think that this pin is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's gorgeous. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.